All right. There's a 40% chance of rain on Friday. Who knew it was going to rain on Monday? But sure enough did. But anyway, 40% chance of rain on Friday, which means there's 60% chance of rain not. Something to keep in mind, especially when you have rain and not rain in the question. If there's 75% chance of rain on Saturday, then that just means there's 25% of rain not. Something to keep in mind. Assuming the probabilities are independent, that means we're able to multiply two consecutive events together. Now, I think it's questionable that it would be independent because rain one day might make it more likely to rain the next day, but we're going to assume that they're independent here. What is the probability that it rains on Saturday? That's rain on Saturday is this one, but not on Friday. Well, rain not on Friday is that one. So it's a matter of simply taking the 0.6, which is Friday, and multiplying that by the 0.75. If we do that, hopefully not going to make a mistake here, that around 30% chance, there's a 30% chance, or a 0.3. I didn't trust myself. 0.6 times 0.75. Ha! Good thing I didn't trust myself. Glad you guys do. Okay, so that was 0.45. You multiply those two things together, and that's what you get. Now, Zana has 1 dozen eggs in her refrigerator. 3 are hard-boiled and the rest are raw. The rest, always a good idea to kind of think about that and say, well, what does the rest mean? Well, there's 9. If you talk 3 out of a dozen, 9 are left. So if she reaches in and grabs 3 eggs, probably that they're all raw. Okay, well, the rest, glad thing we did that because 9 are raw. Okay, so if we go in and grab 1 egg, the probability that it is raw is 9, because there's 9 raw ones, out of the 12 eggs that are in there. You can't tell on the outside. Okay, now you got to go back in. You want another raw egg. Okay, so that means you're going to multiply that by, well, we have 1 less raw egg. There's only 8. We also have 1 less egg. So it's out of 11. And the next one there would be to do the same thing. 1 less raw, 1 less egg. And it's a cancel fest. We're going to reduce as much as we can. 9 over 12 becomes 3 over 4. 4 goes into 8 twice. 2 goes into 10 5 times. I don't know that we can reduce any more. Everything's gone here. Everything's gone there. We have a 3 and a 7. It's 21. We have nothing there. We have 5 times 11. 21 out of 55. That's the probability that you reach in and grab the 3 raw eggs in a row.